Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my dentist office business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into the dentist office business plan template, specifically the Word document portion of the business plan template, which is the actual, business plan template. And then I'll also introduce you all to the Excel financial model, which is where you can go ahead and change the numbers and create your financial projections, specifically your profit and loss, as well as your pro forma income statement for the dentist office. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show, which is the dentist office business plan template. So as I stated previously, the dentist office business plan template, it does come with a Word document, which actually includes the business plan template, and then it also comes with an Excel financial model, which is where you're going to update your information for the financials, and once you're done putting in your numbers, then the financial projections will update accordingly. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the Word document portion of it. So when you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to delete this portion right here. They'll put in their company logo and then leave business plan underneath. The second page is your table of contents. Once you update the business plan in its entirety, you add your information, come back to the table of contents, click on the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update the entire table, click on OK, and then all of your titles and all of your page numbers will update as accordingly. The next section is going to be the executive summary. In the executive summary section, it does include a section for the dentist office summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request, which is how much money do you need to get the party started. Under the financial highlights, once you update the financial model, and again, I'll go over that in the second segment of this video, but once you update your financial model with your information, then that's where you're then going to extrapolate your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the next year and put it here. Funding request, again, is just how much money you need to get the party started, your term for the loan, and then the interest rate expected. The next section is going to be the company description. In the company description, you're going to go ahead and update the information for the dentist office summary. And anywhere you see yellow highlights, that's where you're going to go ahead and make sure your information is put in that area. Anywhere you see parentheses around the words, that's where you definitely want to make sure your information is updated. Company description section starts off with the dentist office summary. Goes into popular services offered, competitive advantage segment, primary target market, price and strategy, hours of operation. Then we have our location section, which is where you're going to describe your dentist office. And then finally, this ends up with a business objective and timeline. This is just going to tell the reader where you want to be in 3 months, and 6 months, and a year. Next section is your industry analysis. In the industry analysis, I do obtain most of my information from my IBIS world. They are an industry leader in industry research. I just access their report in regards to the dentist industry, summarize information, extrapolate information I see important, and update the industry analysis. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. On this, again, this is going to be your smart art. You click on your smart art, then you'll click on this little arrow right here. Anywhere you see bullet points, that's where you can go ahead and update your information. Next section is going to be your organizational structure, and the organizational structure is broken into two components, which is your ownership section and then your organizational chart. Again, make this information, update this information to make it best reflect how your vision of your company. Marketing sections broken up into 3 categories, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Read through it, update it again as you see fit. And then we have the funding request. How much money do we need to get the party started? The term expected for the loan if you're going to have one, as well as the interest rate range. And again, anywhere in yellow, make sure it is aligned with your company vision and expectations. Final section is going to be the financial projections. In my dentist office business plan template, it does come with a financial model, which will calculate your profit and loss for 1 year, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally we have our pro forma income statement for the next 5 years, which just breaks down your revenues, expenses, and your net income on an annual basis. So in order to update this information, we do need to update the financial model, which is right here, and this just dives right into the second segment of the video, which is about the financial model. So in the financial model, it does come with 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, which is just a summary of your financial results, your profit and loss, which is just your profit and loss for 12 months broken up quarterly, and then your income statement for the next 5 years. So when you update your information on the information page, what you'll do is you'll go to each one of my tabs for the profit and loss and the income statement. You'll then copy the financial statement and paste it into the Word document. Now, in order to update this information, you do need to go to the Information Page tab. And on this tab, you are able to update your sales information, which will be right here, your labor information right here, anywhere in the darker colored cells. That is information you can update. And then also on my website, I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how to use the financial model. You are also able to update your startup cost right here, your fixed monthly cost right here, your tax rate here, your monthly growth rate here, and then your loan information here. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.